Electricity Minister Kgontsentsho Ramokgopa has announced the country's pivot to cleaner energy sources and less reliance on fossil fuels. He was presenting South Africa's integrated resource plan, calling it the biggest post-apartheid investment the country has made. Addressing the media in Pretoria, Ramokgopa said that the plan is aimed at driving the country's energy agenda, creating more jobs and growing the economy. Joining us to delve deeper into these developments and offer expert analysis, we have Chris Yelland, Managing Director at EE Business Intelligence. Chris, 2.2 trillion rand is the value of this undertaking. It would rebuild the capacity of Eskom 2.5 times, over 5,200 megawatts of nuclear to be expected after 2030. It just seems all incredibly ambitious. In fact, 29,000 plus megawatts to be added over the next 5 years to the grid. Is this all doable? Is it all possible?
Yeah, well, look, it is an ambitious plan, but we've got to remember that it is still only a plan, and it's not a prescriptive plan. It doesn't have the force of law. It is not funded by government. It is not guaranteed by government. It has to be funded by the private sector largely, and therefore it must make business sense. And if it doesn't make business sense, it may not happen. And we must just remember that, yes, we talk about this as a 2.3 trillion rand investment, but it's not an investment yet until it has been funded. And that is still, a